Hi friends, welcome to Non-Functional Club. As a part of our interview question series, we will look into some important interview questions and we will see practical answers on the same. This will be an interactive series where you can even post your questions in the comment section and we will take them in the upcoming sessions. So let's look into today's questions. Today we'll be seeing three questions. That is, what is interrupt testing? What are different types of mobile applications? And what is difference between mobile device testing and mobile application testing? So our first question is, what is interrupt testing? When you get this question in the interview, you can clearly say mobile interrupt testing is a form of mobile application testing that focuses on behavior of an application when it is interrupted in the foreground and whether it resumes the state before the interruption. So ideally, what happens is when you're using the application, you may get few interrupts. So suppose you're using Facebook application and you receive a call. Once your call is done, after that, again Facebook should be resumed at the state where you are using it. It should not force close or it should not behave improperly only because of the interrupt that was caused because of the phone call. So basically, this is example of interrupt testing. What all scenarios can we test as a part of interrupt testing is, so if your battery is low, how the application is behaving. Next one would be your phone is in charging state and the battery is full. Then you have received an incoming phone call when you are using the application. Similarly, you received a incoming SMS and the application is under use. So next one would be you're using the application and device has switched off like while you're using the application. So what is the behavior when it again comes into foreground or when you restart the phone? So let's look into more scenarios for interrupt testing. Suppose you have your application under test and there is an incoming alert from another mobile application. So even call received is another mobile application, but similarly if you receive a WhatsApp call or you receive some prompt from other application, still the application which you were using should not behave improperly. Then suppose there is an application's update reminder or there is an alarm which has been triggered when you are using the application. Then you can test when there is a network connection loss, how your application under test is behaving. Also, you can test when the network connection is restored, how your particular application behaves. So this is about the specific scenarios which we can test under interrupt testing. Let's look into the next question. So another important question which usually gets asked is what are different types of mobile applications? So there are basically three types of mobile applications, that is native, web and hybrid application. So native apps are designed to be native to one platform like say your Android, iOS or Windows mobile phones. Web applications are responsive websites which are switched or which are tweaked to be in the design when it is accessed by a mobile device. So any website which you can access on a mobile browser is a web application. Hybrid apps are built on a single platform and distributed across various app stores such as Google Play or Apple's App Store. They are similar to native application, but they are built on a single entity or a single platform. We have already created video for details about types of mobile applications. So please refer that details for having a detailed understanding, and we have also specific examples for different types of applications. I've pasted the link for that video in the description section. Do have a look into it. Let's move to next question. So next question we have is, what is difference between mobile device testing and mobile application testing? So there is a lot of confusion around mobile device testing and mobile application testing. We'll try to look into it in a simple way. So first one, mobile device testing is where we test device hardware and device software quality And for that, we will focus on device screen, memory, and camera of the device hardware. Similarly, when it comes to mobile application testing, it is where we test an application on different mobile devices. It may be Android or iOS device. And here we focus on the compatibility of application under test with the hardware and software of the device. So basically, mobile device testing is testing the device itself, and mobile application testing is testing the application which you are going to use on the device. So this is about our second video of important interview question series. Do subscribe Non-Functional Club channel for next videos on this series. Hope this session was useful. Thank you.